come to tell you about the Avengers Initiative. Hey, it's Jay in the workshop today, and I have a big, beautiful tray that I got at Goodwill, despite the fact that it says IKEA on the back, but definitely a Goodwill score. And I was thinking this big, beautiful round tray would make a fantastic geode tray. So I have some glass crystals to put in the center and then surround with beautiful swirls of resin. And we'll see if we can nail the geode effect, but I'm fairly certain no matter what happens, it'll turn out pretty cute. So let's give it a go and see how it works. All right. Here we have me adding these beautiful green little glass crystals that I definitely got from the dollar store, so don't feel like in order to make beautiful art you have to have the most expensive supplies. And there you can see what is definitely white resin and not anything else oozing across the tray. And then I begin to add in blue. This is ultramarine, my absolute favorite color of blue. I just love how deep and dark and how much it takes my breath away. And this is an attempt at a geode tray, so I'm doing everything in circles and trying to do white layers between everything as well. But as you can see, my surface is maybe not as level as I would like it to be, but nothing a little tipping around and placing stuff underneath won't help with. And mostly I'm just kind of freehanding it here. I have watched many a geode tutorial, but none before doing this tray because I just said, forget it. All I want to do is pour something really pretty today, and I think I absolutely managed that. I am just loving the way the heat gun moves everything around and loving adding more color and opening those cells up and adding that alcohol ink on the top, which always has an incredible effect both in the gold glitter and in the white. Can't say that I'm complaining about how it turned out, even if maybe it's not as geode as I would like it to be. But can't deny it turned out pretty frickin' rad. Obligatory merchandise shot. Always Sunny in Barovia, now available in my shop. Hey, so the resin has cured. You got that beautiful, satisfying tippy-tap noises, you know. The crystals are firmly in there. I've tested them to make sure they're not going to pop and fly out at any time, so they're beautiful. Now, is it a geode tray? I don't know. But is it beautiful? Absolutely. And that's kind of the fun thing of doing these trays, is they turn out gorgeous. The other thing I really like about doing trays is that they require very little post-production work. A lot of the stuff that I make in the shop requires a lot of sanding and trimming and shaping and polishing after I've actually made it. And it just feels so good to make something that is just done when it's done. So that is lovely. Now I have a bunch more trays that I bought at Goodwill, so I'll probably be doing quite a few of these right now. But in the meantime, you remember to take your meds, okay? And I made a tray today, but no pressure. If we make nothing else, let's make it a great day, okay? Love ya, and bye.